Hey everybody, welcome back to Ras Review. So today we're going to take a look at a couple products for a DJI Osmo 3. One is by Teco and the other is by Sunny Life. So I was just messing around on Amazon, found a haul section in Amazon, and these were both on there for less than 10 bucks. So decided I'd check them out. So love the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's kind of small and portable, and it's great for just kind of like run and gun type of stuff. Problem, and not necessarily a problem, but because of the fact that the case that it comes with has that little cutout for the microphone, and I usually don't use the microphone when doing the Pocket 3, it's kind of awkward in how it takes up some space. So that's where this bad boy comes in. Like I said, this is the Sunny Life. It's called a gimbal and screen protector for Osmo Pocket 3. So not much to the packaging here. So you'll see what happens is this will actually cover the whole shebang. And much more small and sleek for sure. So let's see. Previously it would sit about here. So you take about an inch off. So nothing huge, but it is a little bit less bulky. Obviously, if you like to keep your remote clipped onto your case, this is necessarily not going to work for you, but overall not too bad. And then let's check out this sunny shade cover. Okay, so this just pops on your screen like so. All right, so it sits there on your screen, and when you open it, it kind of acts as a little sunscreen for you, just to kind of help you see the screen. And then to close it back up, you'll just push the sides in and flip the top down, and that's it. The native case, like I said, works just fine. It's just sometimes I notice when I take it out of the bag that this camera will be pointing out. So sometimes I get concerns that I'm going to scratch the lens. Like I'll take it out of the bag and it'll be sitting like this. Whereas this case here, it kind of just will hold everything in place. So no matter what happens on the camera on the inside, it's always protected. My screen's protected. I get back a little bit of space. Only thing that I wish is I wish it had a way. Now I don't ever really use that wide angle lens, but it would be nice if there was storage for it on here. And then I think this would be a great combo if I could get one that didn't have this bottom piece and stick that on there, because now I've just created an additional piece I would have to carry around. But yeah, overall 10 bucks, it was worth a shot. Definitely wouldn't tell you to go run out and grab either of these. They're not that amazing. I usually don't notice too much of an issue. Sometimes I do with sun glare, but that would definitely take that out of the equation. So I can probably definitely recommend that. Case, like I said, totally up to you and your use case scenarios. All right, super short video. Just wanted to share a couple things that I found on Amazon haul. I'll try to find the link for the Amazon haul again and put that down in the description. There's a bunch of stuff on there, so that way you can kind of see if there's anything in there that fits your needs. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.